Hi everyone, my name is Nolutando Mkalipi, and I just want to talk about how Ivory Park Police Station is failing me with regards to opening a case. I went to the police station on the 5th of January to actually open a case of parental abduction. So what happened was I have a 5-year-old daughter, and the daughter stays full-time with me here in Ivory Park. And we have an arrangement with his dad that during the school holidays, the child goes to his dad and visits and then comes back. Even this time, they fetched the child on the 17th of December. So when they fetched the child, I would communicate with the child through video call to check up on the child. And the father of the child, we are not together. It's been like 4 years now. It's been 3 years now. We are not together. So this time what happened was on Monday, on the 5th of December, he informed me that because I was also trying to communicate with the father, asking him when are they coming back, when is he bringing back the child, as the schools are about to reopen on the 14th of Jan. And then he would say, no, the child will come back, I'll bring his things, the stationery and everything. So on the 5th, he texts me saying that they went home. I'm like, home where? He's like, in Congo. In Congo, how? And then he's like, they went home. They will be back. I'm like, okay. I also didn't believe that. I mean, like, how is that even possible that you can just tell me right now that we went home? I called his brother. The brother didn't pick up. I tried calling the cousin picked up. And then the cousin was like, I also don't know, but let me try to call and find out. They called, and he did say that there's people that are confirming that he's actually there in Congo. Therefore, I went to the police station to open a case. And then they said to the Ivory Park Police Station, they said that they are not sure which case to open for me because he's also the father of the child. He has the right. So I need to go and also consult with the children's court to find out which case I need to open. I went to children's courts, and they did say that I need to go to the family advocate. They're also able to assist with the bringing back of the child to South Africa. So what happened was, when I went to the family advocate, to the family court, because also my brother is helping me in this whole thing, he went to the Department of International Relations and Cooperations in Pretoria. As soon as he got there, they confirmed that there is a case of parental abduction that needs to be opened regarding this whole incident. And then they informed him that we need to send them the case number and the information of what actually happened. Okay, I come back to the police station to inform them that I need to open a case of parental abduction. Still, a case is not opened. It was on the 6th. On the 6th, in the morning, I went to his place to check, and then I find out that he moved out. He sold his things. They told me, the neighbors, that he was selling his things on the marketplace. I went to the brother's place. He also sold his things. The places are empty. I went to check. I came back, still went back to the police station. They still didn't fix. They still didn't open the case. And also, when I got to the family advocate, they also sent me back to the social workers, that I need to go to the social development so that they can also assist me. We called them over the phone because the lady that was helping me there at the social development, and then we had to call, because it's different sectors, so we had to call the social workers. And then they called, and then they said, this thing is a case. There has to be a case that is opened by the police regarding this whole thing. I came back to the police, and then they later agreed that, okay, it is a case. They will open a case. However, they need proof that, they said, okay, they will open a case. I was like, okay. And then that was on Thursday. And then they said, I need to come on Friday this morning. I went to the police in Tembisa South, to the kennel that was actually assisting me with the case, and then they tried communicating with the father of the child, and he didn't come to party. And then I came back, they said a case needs to be opened. I go again to check. Right now that is the case opened. I find that the case is still yet not opened, and they're waiting for the docket, as the docket was with this other lady from this Tembisa South. Even up to this far, the case is still not opened. I tried opening a case from the 1st of January, and I've been going to these places asking for help by myself, so that when they also have information, they just mix everything all together. But it's still Friday from the 5th of December, sorry, from the 5th of January to open a case. But today it's the 9th. A case is still yet not opened. However, they did confirm that a case needs to be opened for parental abduction. I'm also communicating with the father of the child, and I've also heard that they're planning on moving to the Europe, because that's where he's planning to reside with the child and everything. So I'm just hoping this video gets to the correct people, so that they can be able to assist me, as Ivory Park Police Station right now is currently failing me, as they have not opened a case. Even right now, I have not received an SMS. I have not received any information with regards to that a case has already been opened. Thank you.
Subscribe to this channel.